Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if you hear any background noise. You know, I don't live, well, I have my dad that lives with me, so he watching TV, so yeah. But I wanted to film this video, so I did my first little shopping with Cult Beauty. Sorry if you hear my puppy as well. So I got this little package, and the reason I did it is because I really wanted to try some skincare that I saw Jamie Genevieve has been using for a while now, as well as they had this gift bag. If you spent, I think it was like 60 or 80 euros, you got, or I think there's pounds there, I think they're in pounds. You got this huge set of stuff for free. Plus there's a couple things I've been wanting. So the first thing that I got that I purchased is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, and I've been holding off for like a month to not use this so I can film this video, because I keep forgetting to film this video. But I've been wanting to buy a full size forever, because I've had this little tiny guy for ages, and I want to put this in my little, you know, travel bag. So it's in the shade 3 Deep, and this stuff is amazing. And I did buy this because of Jamie Genevieve. Oh my goodness, I absolutely adore her and Jack, you know. So yeah, so I got this finally in a full size. I'm so excited. And it's funny because when I worked for MAC, I actually worked right across from the Charlotte Tilbury before it was like super popular, and I'm surprised they never showed me that. Like, they always show me like lipsticks and shadow and stuff like that, but they should have shown me that, because that stuff is life, honey. All right, I also got these summer, oh no, that's not what I got. That came in the set. Where is it? There it is. I got the Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water, and this is from Fresh. So me and my setting sprays, like, your girl loves her setting sprays. I am filming on my phone right now because I'm waiting for an iPad to get here so I can start filming with my new camera, because your girl upgraded, y'all, finally. It's been years. Like, I've never bought a brand new camera. I've always bought my cameras used. So as a treat to myself and all the things I've been doing and all my progress, I went ahead and got a new camera. So there's that. And then for the big piece that I'm super excited to try is the Augustinus Bader. I think that's how you say it. And I got this set because it has both creams. So these are like the infamous creams. There's the rich cream and then the regular cream, and they're a PPC cellular renewal creams. So get my skin together, you know. This thing is really heavy too. It's called it says Biological Wisdom. Oh, so sorry, you can hear my puppy. 1 second. All right, I'm back. I had to go ahead and let them outside because they was being crazy. But yeah, so what I was saying is I got this set finally, because this stuff is expensive. Like, I think it was like $100 and something for one bottle. So I was like, I don't know which one I like. And I think this set, I don't remember. I don't know what I did with the pricing, but if I can find it, I'll put it down below if they still have it. But I think this was like a limited edition set. So it says it's inspired by 30 years of stem cell research. The cream and the rich cream use molecules naturally found in skin to help stimulate skin's natural process of rejuvenation by guiding key ingredients and powerful natural ingredients to cells. Professor Augustinus Bader, one of the world's leading authorities on regenerative medicine and skin health, formulated these breakthrough moisturizers for all skin types to visibly reduce the damage caused by environmental stressors and restore skin radiance. So I'm gonna use this. I think I'm gonna do the rich cream first, and I'm gonna use this for like a good month or so, and then I will do a before and after video to show y'all, because I'm excited. I'm so excited. I feel like super bougie. Oh, I can't help it. But let's get into what I got in the goodie bag, because who doesn't want to see what came in the goodie bag? And it's like super full, and this is really cute because I can travel with it. It came with a full-size Summer Days R&R face mask. I'm gonna just start putting stuff to the side. And then it came with the Inky List retinol. I have all of the I have a lot of the hyaluronic acid, so I'm kind of excited to have another retinol, because I do use like retinol, retin-A's, stuff like that, because I do get a lot of scarring. You can still even see it through my makeup. I only use like a medium coverage, so yeah. It came with a little tiny Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips. It came with this 111 Skin Harley St. London. It's London. It's a biocellulose face treatment mask, which I think I'm gonna do tonight because I'm about to treat myself because all this quarantine stuff, honey. I've been working on my social media, you know, doing a thing. It came with a Zoeva Luxe Fan brush, so I'm excited to put that baby to use. I'm actually excited to finally put this stuff away because it's been sitting in this bag for a minute. And then it came with the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It came with a Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment from Gold Fun MD. Hopefully it doesn't smell like funky because I'm weird about like scents and stuff. It came with a Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. It smells really strong, so I'll probably give that away. Like I'm not a fan of like a lot of fragrance. Like I tried to use the what's it called? Huda Beauty foundation. Could not do it, honey. Could not do it. Oh, my favorite part is I saw this and I was like, okay, I have to spend enough so I can get this. And it is the F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial Mask Hydrant from Drunk Elephant. This little guy here. Can't wait to try that. And then there's a By Terry mascara. There is the Veneffect Pore Minimizing Cleanser. Can't get enough cleanser. There's a Protect and Prime by Emma Hardy. This little guy here. And it has an SPF of 30, so need that. It came with this iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Let's see what shade this is. I don't think I opened this yet. Oh, it's like a pinky gloss. I could use that. I probably could have did that today. That would have been super cute. And that's a full size, honey. Full size. Whew, we're getting down to the bottom. Let's see if I can grab everything in my hand. Nope. There's still enough for me not to be able to grab everything. I almost did though. Almost did. So there's, oh, I love this. The Glow Recipe Water Glow Sleeping Mask. I love all of their little masks. My skin be feeling so luxurious, honey. And then it has the Dr. Dennis Gross, I think it's Gross, Stress Repair Face Cream. It has a vegan milk moisturizer. I've been wanting to try this little guy. It has this Dreamy Skin Discipline Ultimate Skin Regenerative Retinol. Oh, it's retinol. It's retinol. So there's that. I'm going to smell that because I'm curious. There's the Dr. Barbara Strom Hyaluronic Serum. Can never get enough hyaluronic acid serums. And then a Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. And I'm in love because I love me a bunch of cleansers and stuff, honey. Like, I was all for getting some more skincare. But, yep, let me just pop all my goodies in a bag so I can organize them in my skincare. Because I have, like, skincare shelves and stuff now because your girl got a house. So exciting, but I'll do a video on that later. But yeah, so that's my little first cult beauty haul. I hope you guys like it. I think they gave me free shipping as well, which was pretty cool. And it was like super fast, like literally came I think in like 3 days or something like that. So super awesome. But yeah, and if you would like to see how I created this look, make sure you follow my Instagram and then make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe and hit that good old notification bell. Okay, honey? Thanks for watching this video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.